guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making a really cute hand lettered chalkboard sign. I'm just going to be using this chalkboard that I picked up at Dollar Tree for $1. You can use any chalkboard that you want. I'm just using this one because I had it on hand. I will also be using one of these Bistro chalk markers. I picked this up at Hobby Lobby. They sell them individually or in multi-packs. I think the individual ones are around $2.99 and the multi-packs are around $6.99. But you can use the 40% off Hobby Lobby coupons on them. It will make them a little bit cheaper for you. You can also use regular chalk if you want. It doesn't really matter. I'm just using a marker because I like the way that looks better. But you can definitely use regular chalk on the chalkboard if you would rather do that. With the markers, they do wash off just like regular chalk. You just have to wash them off. I either use Windex or like a warm washcloth with soap on it, but they do wash off. So I have been doing hand lettering for a few years now, hand lettering and calligraphy, and I love making these signs. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make one. Since it's Valentine's Day next week, we are going to be writing "Love You More" on the sign. So let's get started. So you're just going to go and you're going to make your L. And you can do this in your own handwriting. You don't have to copy me exactly. This is just how I do it. And you might have to go over it a couple times just because it's a marker. So you'll just go like that. If you mess up, no worries, you can always correct it. Yeah, so notice like there are upstrokes and there are downstrokes. So anytime that you would naturally go down on a letter, you're gonna make that area just a little bit thicker. So I usually draw a line just like that, and then I'll fill it in. And so then on this one, see where it starts to go down? You're gonna make it a little bit thicker. Okay, so we have our L, and then you are just going to continue making your words just like that. So you'll do the O. And then you'll go back and you'll do your downstrokes. And you can make the downstrokes as thin or as thick as you want to. And if you mess up, that's fine. You can go back over it. I need to go back over it anyway just to make it a little bit thicker. So then we have our first word, love. And you can just, if you have any like smears or anything like that, you can either wipe it off or like draw over it. Whichever you prefer is fine. The great thing I love about hand lettering is that you can do really whatever since you're using a marker versus using a calligraphy pen. Using a calligraphy pen is much harder. If you really want to learn it, it takes a lot of practice and a lot of patience. But when you're using a marker, you can really do kind of whatever you want. Like you can do like print letters, just like this. And then you just do the same thing with your downstrokes on the letters wherever they just occur naturally. You might have to go over it a few times just depending on how bright you want it to be. And how thick you want your letters to be. And so there's our second word. This glitter is getting like everywhere. Okay. There's our second word, so I'm going to start the last word over here. So, and you can write this however you want. This is just my handwriting. You'll just go back and do your downstrokes. And you can make your letters however you want them to be. These markers also come in different colors if you would be interested in getting a different color to use on your chalkboard. And they're super bright, they're super fun to color with. I've used them a lot throughout the past few years doing chalkboards and stuff for weddings. The Bistro brand is my favorite. I bought them from like the Dollar Tree and stuff, and they really, the quality is just not there if you buy them, if you buy the cheap ones. And when you're doing lettering, you really kind of have to think of it more as drawing versus like writing, because it's really more of a drawing technique than anything. And you will like just practice and practice, and you will definitely like learn your own styles as you get more practice and like your handwriting develops. and you get used to writing. Just gonna go back over these a little bit and make them look a little better or a little brighter. And there's our sign. Super cute, super cheap to do. These markers last a really long time, so they will last you, you know, a few signs if you wanted to do it. And you can add drawings or whatever you want to add to it. You can make it your own. You can add some ribbon to it. I'm not going to add anything just because I don't want to mess up the lettering for the video. But you could definitely add like hearts or arrows or whatever you wanted to do. But there is your home decor. Love you more. Super easy, super cheap to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's kind of a different video than what I'm used to doing. But if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to see, you know, more hand lettering tutorials or DIYs or Dollar Tree stuff, leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you would like to see. And if you are new, I do hope you will subscribe to my channel. And I thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I will see you in the next video. Hey guys, I ended up going back and adding in some arrows to the sign just to kind of fill in some of the extra blank space on there, and I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like, what the final product looked like. But here it is. You can add whatever you want to it. This is just my little tutorial on how I do my hand lettering, and I hope you guys enjoyed it.